Assalamualaikum. I am your facilitator Maria Saqib. Today we will find the total net income of our company with the help of its ledger balance and its adjustment data. Few items of the ledger balance reflect in the income statement and few reflect in the balance sheet, while adjustment data reflects in the both places in income statement and in balance sheet. I shared a link in a description below to view the detailed format of income statement, formula of income statement and its component. So let's start to find the total net income of a company. The first component is total net sale. Sale, sale return and sale discount are required to find the net sale. All these items are present in the ledger balance. We can find the sale on a credit side of the ledger balance, that is 75,500, while sale discount is on a debit side of the ledger balance, that is 25,500. Let's put the value. Sale in a second column, that is 75,500. Sale return is not given there, so we will not write it. Sale discount is 25,500. It will subtract from the sale, so it enclosed in the bracket. When we subtract, we will get 50,000, that is net sale, and we will write in the last column. Cost of goods sold is the second component. Inventory beginning, net purchase and inventory ending are required to find the cost of goods sold. We can find the inventory beginning on a debit side of the ledger balance, that is 5,000. We can identify the merchandise inventory in beginning with the word opening, beginning, or first date of month. Place the value in a second column. The net purchase consists on purchases, purchase return, purchase discount and transportation in, which we will write in a first column. So let's find out the value from the ledger balance. We can find the purchases on the debit side of the ledger balance. Here the purchases is 40,000, while purchase return, purchase discount and transportation is not given in the ledger balance. So this purchase is become net purchase and it will be right in the second column. When we add with the inventory beginning, we will get available goods. Inventory ending is third part of the cost of goods sold, and we can find it from the adjustment data. We can identify the inventory ending with its date. It is mentioned that it is the last date of the month. Here it is 6,000. Inventory ending will be right in the second column with the bracket sign. It shows that it subtract from the available goods. When we subtract 6,000 from 45,000, we will get 39,000, that is the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold will subtract from the sale, that is 50,000. When we subtract it, we will get 11,000 gross profit. The third component of the income statement is operating expense. Operating expense is the most important part of the income statement. When you find the value of operating expense, remember that we have to find all item of expenses in the ledger and the adjustment data both place. The first one is rent expense. We can find the rent expense on the debit side of the ledger. Here it is 2,000, while in the adjustment data there is no data given for the rent. So rent expense will write 2,000 in a second column. Second is salary expense. We can find the salary expense on a debit side of the ledger balance, that is 15,000. On the adjustment data, we have an accrued salary, that is 1,000. Accrued means earned but not receive or pay yet. Earned considered as expense, so salary expense and accrued salary will be added, and it is 16,000, which we will write in the second column. Insurance expense or expired insurance. Again, we can find the insurance expired in the adjustment data, that is 2000, while we can find the insurance word on a debit side of the ledger balance with the word unexpired. Unexpired is considered as a current asset, so we will just take the insurance expense, that is 2000, and we will write in the second column. The next is depreciation expense. We can find the depreciation expense in the ledger balance and in the adjustment data. In the adjustment data, we have a word depreciation estimated, while we find the allowance for depreciation on a credit side of the ledger balance. Allowance means reserve, and it subtract from the fixed asset, so it is a part of balance sheet. So we just take the depreciation expense, that is the 10% of cost of furniture. On a debit side, you can find the furniture cost, that is 10,000. So 10% of 10,000 is 10 upon 100 multiplied by 10,000. When you simplify it, you will get 1,000. So depreciation expense is 1,000. Bad debt expense. Again, we can find the bad debt expense in the adjustment data, that is 2% of net sale. And we already found the net sale in the first component of the sale, that is 50,000. So 2 upon 100 multiplied by 50,000 is 1,000. So depreciation bad debt expense is 1,000. All these expenses will subtract, and it enclosed in a bracket. The sum of it is 22,000, which is enclosed in the bracket. Operating expense subtract from the gross profit, that is the 11,000. When we subtract, we will get 11,000 in a bracket. It shows that it is minus 11,000, and minus means net loss. The fourth and last component of income statement is other income. Commission earned is other income of this question, and we can find the commission word in the both place in adjustment data and in ledger balance. Both are along with the word unearned, but the value is changed. You can find the unearned commission on a credit side of ledger balance, that is 3,000, and you can find the unearned commission in adjustment data, that is 1,000. So the difference of it is earned commission, that is 2,000. We will add the other income with the net loss, that is 11,000. When we add it, we will get 9,000, which enclosed in a bracket. It shows that it is a total net loss. This total net income or loss reflect in the equity portion of a balance sheet. In the next video, I will continue the same question and put the value in the balance sheet to verify the total net income. Don't forget to subscribe Arshi channel to be first to watch the upcoming video, and don't forget to share, like this video. Stay home, stay safe, stay along with the Arshi education.